In a major decision taken by Railway Ministry, now you can book up to 12 tickets on your IRCTC user ID if it is not linked to Aadhaar, and if it is linked to Aadhaar, then you can book up to 24 tickets each month. So this has been a decision taken by the Railway Ministry. The earlier decision states that if your user ID it is not linked to Aadhaar, then you can book only 6 tickets, whereas it is linked to Aadhaar, then you can book max to max 12 tickets each month. But as per the revised the notification or the decision taken by the Railway Ministry, now you can book maximum up to 12 tickets if your user ID is not linked to Aadhaar. But if it is linked to Aadhaar, you can book up to 24 tickets. The entire capacity has been doubled. So with this, Railway Ministry is eyeing to maximize the online ticket booking, the entire revenue generation through this digital mode. Along with this, Railways is trying to bring in more ease to the online ticket, those who opt for booking online tickets through IRCTC mobile app or through the IRCTC website. So this entire decision is likely to come into effect in next 3-4 days after making certain changes on the CRIS portal as well as on the IRCTC website. But yes, this is going to be a big decision that will definitely benefit lakhs of people, those who opt to book railway ticket online through IRCTC app or through the website.